And I'm sure all the other librarians in the state would feel the same way.
She felt Section 5 in regards to the complaint process of books in libraries was slightly redundant.
Most libraries already have a process if you want to complain about a book. So it's not that there's no such process that doesn't exist right now.
Kaplinger believes the definition of obscenity cannot be spread widely.
The library, it may present something that you might not want to read or I might not want to read, but that doesn't mean it's obscene. You might find it offensive, but offensive is not obscene by the legal definition. Why should our access be limited by what is only good enough for a small child?
As for the defendants in the case, they say they'll keep fighting. Arkansas Attorney General Tim Griffin says, quote, "We are reviewing the judge's opinion and will continue to vigorously defend the law." Arkansas Senator Dan Sullivan says, part quote, "Act 372 was overwhelmingly passed by the legislature and signed by the governor. I'll continue to fight to keep the material that is harmful to minors away from our most vulnerable. We will be appealing the decision to the Court of Appeals and investigating other legislation to protect our youngsters." Kaplinger says even with the temporary restraint, they are not in the clear.
This is not unique to what's happening in Arkansas. It's happening around the country with positive and negative results. And, like I said, I hope we will ultimately have positive results, but we're still not quite done.
The law is not struck down completely by this federal ruling, but it means it will not go into effect until a final decision is made in regards to if it's constitutional. Several local libraries, including libraries in Crawford County and the Fayetteville Public Library were the plaintiffs in the lawsuit of Act 372. Lauren Spencer, 5 News.
All right, thanks, Lauren. There are multiple other state laws that will soon be going into effect on Tuesday. For a full list, we have it on our website, 5newsonline.com.